Welcome back everyone, this is Henry with Guns, Games, and Gadgets channel. In today's video, I will be showing off the Trustfire Micro USB. It's a 510 lumen gun light, so this will be another budget item. You can purchase this item on Amazon. It runs about $42, give or take. I will have everything up in the video. So let's get this bad boy on and see what it look like. Alright guys, this is what it look like with it on. And you just want to activate it. You just want to push the switch right here. It's very bright, so I'll take their word for it about being 510 lumens. It's extremely bright. I was going to do a outside test, but I'll take the word for it. And then if someone breaks into your house, if you don't want the light on constantly, you just want to click very fast. Oh wait, not click but push. Hold on, how you do this? Wait a minute guys. You just want to click it very fast, and no, not click it. You want to hold it, I'm sorry, hold it. Then if you don't want it, hold it again, or release, and then boom. So this gun, this flashlight doesn't have any holster options that I know about yet, but I mean, it kind of looks like that Olight Mini. That's like that's like $85. So it might fit that, but there's people that are saying that it would not fit it. But I recommend this light just for home defense because it's very bright. It can light up anything. So yeah guys, this is it. This is the Trustfire Micro USB 510 lumen light. So get it while you can. I'm busy trying to stock up on my lights here, and you know, for I can make sure all my firearms have a light. So if I would have gotten this for free, I would have done a drop test and a water test on it. But I bought this with my own money, so I will not be doing that. So yeah, just take it for, you know, what it says on the box, that it's water resistant and it can be dropped up to 6 feet. So I would believe it. So guys, if you guys are new, consider subscribing. I got more videos like this on the way, hopefully a range day video. So I want to appreciate all my old subscribers. Thanks for the love, thanks for staying on the channel with everything going on. So I hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, carry a gun, get prepared, and as always, have a nice day.